Let's go, guys. It's your boy Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what we're doing now is I've got a VW Passat CC on a 2015-16 2-litre diesel. We're going to go ahead and replace the drive shaft. It's a DSG gearbox, automatic gearbox, so we're going to go ahead and replace the passenger side drive shaft. It's exactly the same method on the driver side, it's just the driver side one is slightly longer. Okay, so the passenger side one slightly shorter. That's the only difference, but the method is exactly the same. We're gonna go ahead and replace it. Let's go, let's do it. Okay, the first thing what I've done is I've cracked the wheel nuts, 17mm wheel nuts on the floor. Also, I'm gonna crack the center, the hub nut, the hub bolt, sorry. There it is. I'm going to crack it on the floor. You can do it while it's on the ramp, you know, jam the disc up and things like that. But while it's on the floor, I managed to take the center cap off with a little pick. That pick there, picked it off. That comes off. I'm going to go ahead and take that bolt off, or slacken the bolt at least. Then we'll send it up, take the wheel off, take the bolt off, and we'll go from there. Right, okay, I'm gonna scream a little bit and shout a little bit. So if I'm shouting at you guys, sorry, because I have to, because I've got the heater on, -6 here, so I'm working in the cold, so give me a break. Anyway, we're gonna take this off. I've already cracked it on the floor. It's a 15-16 socket that you need, a multi-spline, or equivalent to about a 24mm multi-spline. Let's go ahead and take that off. We'll go from there. Right, I've took that bolt out from there. I've turned the heater off. I'm sacrificing for you guys, so I've turned the heater off. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this cover off to make our life nice and easy. Basically, Torx 25 all around here, and then a few underneath here as well. Okay, we're going to take this cover off. I mean, you don't have to take that cover off if you don't want to, but since you're going to take this cover off, you might as well take that one off as well. Torx 25 all the way around here. They're the usual standard issue. And then on the back here, they're supposed to have like Torx 45. Okay, like as you can see there. But obviously it's got a 13mm. So the main objective is we're going to take this cover off. We're going to take this cover off. And I'll get at you guys in a minute. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take these 3 nuts off, 16mm. I've already cracked them and everything, so they should come off. There we go, 16mm socket ratchet extension. Let's take them off and we'll go from there. Okay, them 3 are off. I mean, you can leave one on for the next bit, but I've took them off anyway. So, I mean, it's entirely up to you. It's entirely up to you. If you want to leave one on just for stability, you can do. If not, just take them all off. I've just taken them all off. What we'll do next is we've got a screwdriver in there, as you can see there. I've got a screwdriver in between the disc. I'm going to go this way here, underneath here. As you can see, them Torx there, multi-spline Torx, the CRM10 multi-spline Torx. We're going to go ahead and take them off. So one here, as you can see there, there should be 6 altogether. There's one there, there's a few round there, as you can see, there's another one there. So what you can do is take this one off, take the next one off, which is in there. Just make it out there. Okay, this one here, I've already cracked them. Well, that you'll have to crack them obviously. So you can take them 2 off. Then what we'll do is you can take the screwdriver out and then just turn it. Get to the next 2. Like that, we're going to take all them off and we'll go from there. But as you can see there, I've took all 6 off and it's all freestyling, all off and everything. So what we'll do now is just get it off out from there. There we go, as you can see there. all freestyling moving. I took them 6 off. Right, so then what we'll do is, as you can see the wishbones there, we'll just pull the wishbone down. That moves out of the way. The drive shaft should, with a little bit of persuading, as you can see there, it is coming out. I'll need 2 hands, 1 hand to hold the drive shaft, the other hand to pull the hub away, and I will see you guys in a minute. Right, so there we have it. The drive shaft is totally off. All I do is now is just get it out. There we go. Happy days. Drive shaft is off, totally off. We've got the new one there. Let's bang the new one back on. Let's put the new one back on and yeah, refit it in reverse order. You might be thinking, why am I wearing these gloves for? I think they belong to Hannah. I found her in her in a bag over there. Okay, I think they belong to Hannah. I think she's grown out of them. The magic gloves are fitting me. So hey, pretty in pink. Let's go. Okay, so there we have it. There's the new one, there's the old one. I'm going to fit it in reverse order. You can't really get it wrong. I'm just going to fit it in reverse order. Yeah, let's go, let's do it. I'll be straight up honest with you guys. I've had few people on YouTube and everything and commenting saying that I've not been thorough in my refit. I always say fit it in reverse order. If you can take it off, you should be able to fit it in reverse order. So this time around I'm going to show you guys. Reason being is because I need to take the camera in there and do the job at the same time, so I can't really do it at the same time. So I'm going to try to show you guys and refit it and talk to you and go through everything at the same time. So yeah, let's go, let's do it. Right, I hope you guys can see it and everything, but I'll try my best. I put the camera on a stand on top of the disc and everything. I hope you guys can see it. So I've got the drive shaft lined up there. If you want, you can use a bit of Loctite if you want to. It's entirely up to you. I'm just going to put it on the way it came off. So basically, I've took my gloves off for this. Sorry, Hannah. That's one on. Them 6 bolts on. I've not tightened them up or anything, just basically with the electric ratchet, just nipped them up. Even with the electric ratchet, they're pretty tight. It goes pretty tight with the electric ratchet. So what I'll do now is I'll put the that should have been in anyway, so push that in all the way. There we go, that goes in. Get the wishbone on. So basically I'm going to get the wishbone on there, push that back. So that's why I need 2 hands, you see. So hope I'm being more thorough so you guys can see. Put that through there, get these nuts on. Get them 3 on, tighten up on them 3, get the center bolt back on, center bolt. As you can see there, there's my stand. I have the stand on there. Move that out of the way. We'll get the center bolt back on, tighten up on these 3, then we're going to go ahead and tighten up on the center. Then we're going to go ahead and tighten up on the Torx there. And that's about it, job done. Let's go. Okay, I'll be straight up honest with you. I've got the heater back on because it's absolutely freezing. I can't take it anymore. I've sacrificed enough for you guys. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to tighten up on those 6 Torx. tighten up on them with the Torx and everything. And the way I do it is I don't get the torque wrench or anything like that. Basically, I jam it up there, get the breaker bar on it. To be honest with you, they weren't even tight. They were like real loose, to be honest with you. Maximum, I would say about 20 Newton meters. Right, so yeah, if you want to go all professional, go on the auto data, check it out, the Newton meters, the torque setting, the center hub bolt, I think it's about 70 Newton meters, 90 degrees, things like that. Check out on the auto data. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up, and yeah, that's it, job done. We'll get the wheel back on, cover back on, finish it off. Right, so there we have it guys, 99% of the job is done. I'm just going to put the wheel back on, covers are back on, tighten up on the center nut on the floor. If you've got a powerful gun, you can do it there then, but I would recommend just when it goes on the floor, just tighten up on the floor. That's about it. That's how we place the drive shaft on a VW Passat 2000 Passat CC, that is 2015-16 Passat CC. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.
Let me know how you want.